Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to continue with the next command, which is called offset commands, and O for offset is the shortcut keys for this command. So let us start now. As you can see, I have explained here arc and ellipse command. So let me erase this. So first of all, you have to select all these, type E and E for erase and enter. So now I am going to start with the offset command. So for offset command, I have to prepare one object. So let me prepare one rectangle here. So type REC, create one rectangle like this. So I want to offset this rectangle here. Let me draw one line here. Okay, like this. Okay. So I want the same object right side of this line. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to draw one more times. I will just use offset command. So I will show you the both options. First option is shortcut keys, O for offset. So type O for offset, and here you can see the specify the offset distance. Okay, so this is the offset distance. Okay, so so what I'm going to do, I'm going to offset this line this side. So I'm going to type O for offset. Okay, and specify the offset distance. So I'm going to enter here 10,000, enter, and you can see here in the command bar it is asking select the object to offset. So I want to offset this object to right side of my right side of this line. So just select and click it. Again you have to select and you can offset like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is how we are using the offset command. So I will show you another option from this I think here in the draw toolbar. So this is the offset command, multiple points, array, measure, divide. Here is the offset. Okay, in the modify toolbars. So you can see once you take your cursor on this command, it will show the example here. So let me change the color. So this one, now I'm going to take the yellow. So draw a line here like this. Okay, and I want to offset at a distance of 50,000 from here to here, this line. So type O for offset. Okay, and then you have to enter here 50,000, enter, select this object, and you have to click this side like this. So this is how we are using the offset command. Okay, and second option is I will show you from this modify toolbar. So go to this modify toolbars and click on this offset. Okay, and specify the offset distance, which is already 50,000, and enter, select object to offset. So I want to offset this line this side. So just click, select the object and click this side. Now I want to offset this line to left side. Just select and click. I want to offset this side, so no need to draw again, you can apply the offset command. Okay, so I hope you guys learn this command, offset command. So in the next tutorial guys, I will explain the next command, which is offset move command. Okay, so move command, and one more command which is left from here is mirror command. So I will show you the mirror command and move command. Okay, so please be with me and keep watching my videos, and Once again, I would like to request you all guys, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribing, and please like and share my video, because I am making all the informative videos related to MEP and AutoCAD. So please be with me and keep watching my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you, bye bye.